complete the rest of the 2 days, which is the 29th and the 30th. So this one, it's kind of lengthy. So let's just try to get through as much as we can. And then we'll visit the trial balance either today or tomorrow. Right? I'm pretty sure we'll do it tomorrow. Okay? All right, starting with the 29, we left off on page 20. Okay, so right here says we need to deliver to the corner bookstore. Okay, so here is the corner bookstore's invoice number 109. So how do I record this?
Look for the accounts receivable one that has the sales in it. You passed it.
That one only had regular and supreme coffee. I'm looking for one that has all three. Here we go. Nope. This one does not have it. Let's see. Accounts receivable. Here we go. All three. I think that should be a perfect amount of space. Yes. Awesome. Barely fit. Okay, 629. Okay, so
accounts receivable is a debit of 218.81 or something. Okay, regular coffee sales is 69.09. Supreme is 79.80. Ceramic mugs is 39.92. Delivery income is 30.
okay, so 218.81.
So that matches up. And then we go to general ledgers.
Hold on, the corner bookstore.
Oh yeah.
109.
Invoice 9. And that's their same terms.
Good. You're making me cough over here.
Sorry.
All right, so.
My picked up something and has decided to share it with Nana. So.
All right, so there you go. We finished this part of the journal.
Okay, and then go to the general ledgers. And we go to accounts receivable.
Here we are.
Okay, on the 29th, invoice 109.
Invoice number 109.
Page 20 for 218.81. It's a balance of 223.
Yep, 222318.
Okay, and then we go to the revenue. Regular coffee. And we have invoice 109. 21 pounds for 69.09. Oh, page 20. Sorry. Credit 69.09.
For a grand total of $11.81.11.
And Supreme Coffee on the 29th, invoice number 109 for boy,
There's
20,
20, just 20.
20 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah, just 20
The
pounds.
picture I took of it is small, so
20 pounds.
on page 20 for $79.80.
Okay. That should give you a grand total of $12.36.90.
And then we go to ceramic coffee mugs on the 29th. They bought 8 for $39.92.
Grand total's $15.83.22.
And then we go to delivery income. There it is. On the 29th, invoice 109, page 20, $30 brings us to 270.
Okay.
And then we go to the subsidiary and we go to customers, to the corner bookstore, and on the 29th, we have, oh, we didn't mark off the sales order yet, so, okay,
That's
so
okay.
sales order 9 is 21 pounds regular coffee, 20 pounds supreme coffee, and 8 mugs. Invoice 109. Page 20. The net is still 115 net. Yeah, that one. Oh shoot. 15 days from that would be the 15th of July, right? The
14.
4th. Yeah. And 30 days, excuse me, the 29th of July.
Mm-hmm.
Sales is 218, no, 216.81 or 218.81. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
218.81. So therefore, Mr. Corner Bookstore owes us now $412.91.
And then we go to the sales orders. And we mark 109 that we delivered on the 29th. Invoice 109, and then we go to the commissions expense. And we have 218. Okay, I lost it here. There we are.
218.81.
Yeah. And so the amount is 87.52.
What's the grand total that I owe Albert?
Oh, it'll be about 870.
$873. Yes, so he's gaining his money.
So, and let me think, that covers all of that one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so then we have to also do what?
We have to do the what we used, the cost of goods sold.
Yes, so
Oh,
right
yeah,
here.
the inventory. So we have the 29th, we sold on regular coffee 20 pounds, no, 21 pounds
Mm-hmm.
at the 1.636036. And I would calculate it, but typing it in and seeing on this little screen is hard.
Anybody else want to help out? So 21 pounds at $1.636036.
I have $34.36.
$34.36. Good. So let's subtract that out. Okay, if I used 21 pounds.
We have left with 34.5 pounds for $56.44. And then for the Supreme Coffee, we can subtract 21 pounds. We have enough stock left, so. And we're buying 20 pounds at $1.89. And that total is $37.80.
Okay. So what's 100 minus 20?
And we have 20 pounds, 80 pounds left for $151.20.
Okay. Okay,
So
so
now,
here we have 151 and 20 cents, so we still have 80 pounds left.
yes. So now we can go back to the general journal.
Okay, so we have 37.80 and 34.36.
And then we can plug in those number for each account. And then we can put the equal amount for the ledger and the Supreme Coffee inventory. And then we go to the general ledger on the asset part to update the inventory. And it's 109.
I'm gonna go to my cost of goods sold first.
We sold 21 pounds on 29th. Yeah, 21 pounds. Right, yes. At 34.36. And now we have balance of $56.
Oh, I'm on cost of goods sold.
Right?
Yeah, you're on inventory.
Oh, hold on. Never mind. So it's bigger coffee. So six, our cost of goods sold. So 34, 36. It's 1161.62.
Yes,
Yes.
1161.62. Good. And
And then
then
for the Supreme coffee, it's on 629. And then we sold a 20 pound for the page 20 at 37.80, makes the balance 1230.36.
good.
And then we go to the inventory on the asset. And then 629, we saw the 21 pounds on page 20 at 34.36, brings the balance down to 56.44. And then for Supreme coffee, it's 629. We saw the 20 pound on page 20 for 37.80, bring the balance down to 151.20. And I believe they matches to our inventory. Yeah, 151.20 and 265.19. Oh, wait, 56.44. So yeah, our balance on the inventory matches to the inventory worksheet.
Okay, good. So then we're going to pay all things ceramics, invoice number 126 and 159, all on one check. So it looks like we do have plenty of space to enter in that transaction. Okay.
I would go to subsidiary ledger to see if we can take the a discount.
Okay, let's take a look. All things ceramics. Right, we're paying 126 and 159, I believe. Oh, but 159 was modified. Now let's double check. Which one am I paying for?
126 and 159.
126 and 159. So there you go. So I'm paying all of these.
So we can take discount on the later one. 159, but not the 126.
126, nope, because I already missed the discount due date, but I have to pay tomorrow anyway, so we're just going to make a payment today. And then for the 159, right, we have to pay a 1% discount here.
So I'll go into the new line so we can calculate the discount and the total amount for the two invoices.
Okay. I'm going to insert one more row here. Okay, so we're going to end up paying anyway. So today's the 29.
And the invoice is 126 and 159. And then I went to the discount column.
Okay.
And then, so to be formal, I just take the original invoice amount to 96.80 minus 9.84, and then I multiply the 0.01% on that balance.
What does 196.80 include?
It includes the freight, and you can't take a discount on that.
Correct.
Oh, yeah. So we have to subtract 30 from there.
Not 30. Let's take a look at what that invoice was, right? You can find that out by going to your inventory worksheet.
It's $100, I think.
Yes, in this case. Your the second purchase right here for the 80 mugs for that 196.80 had $100 freight.
Yeah.
So in this case, you can only take out 196.80 and then whatever that discount or whatever that returns was for.
Yeah. So so without the $100 shipping fee, the total is $186.96 after that return credit. So 1% of it should be $1.87.
$187.
And so now the total is that minus 984. And then we subtract $1.87 too. Yes. So we know the check is $481.09. And then purchase discount is $1.87. And we can go back to the general journal. And then
Hold on, I'm trying to still calculating this.
okay.
$296.80 plus 196. Oh, 96. Okay, yeah. 482.96 is what we owe. And we're paying 481.09. Okay. So
So Oops. So we are, the first line for debit would be account payable. And for 220,000. And then second line is for credit purchase discount.
Good, because we are ceramic coffee mugs, right? We recognize them as purchase expenses, so we need to use the purchase discount because that's the contra account to the purchase expense account.
Yes. And that account number is 61550. And then the second credit line is checking. So account payable is 482.
Oh, I hit the wrong number. 48109.
Yeah, so that matches. Now we can go back to the subsidiary ledger.
Wait, we're still
Oh
not
wait,
done.
find out checking number, check number. So 629, check number 1534, total 48109. To all things ceramic. And it's payment for invoice 126 and 159. Now we know the check number is 1534. So we can update the general ledger.
Journal.
And then the note would be the all ceramics, all things ceramics. And the invoice number 126 and 159, check number 1534. And then 1%, yeah, discount received on check invoice 159.
Perfect. Just exactly enough space on page 21. So you want to go back to the subsidiary ledger to finish it?
Yes. And so it's payment check number 1534. And then that line is done with that. And then we need to go to the inventory worksheet to note the discount on the mug.
Where do I put that discount?
The right bottom in
Good.
that column said a discount. So quantity is 0, cost is 0. We just say $1.87. And then that's it, I believe.
You forgot to plug in all your numbers into the ledger.
Oh yeah.
So let's go back
Oh.
to the ledger.
Oh yeah. We skip the general ledgers.
It's okay. So we're gonna go to accounts payable.
And yes, accounts payable. So it's 629. Invoice number. Oh no, yes. Payment for invoice
I
126.
sorry, I typed in and pressed enter by accident. Let me fix that. Payment invoice number 126 and 154 or 152
Nine.
9.
Yeah, and then check number 1534. And then it's 20. Amount is 481. Oh no, we are subtracting the whole amount. So
48296.
48296. Yes. And then the balance is now $6,346.09.
Good.
And then hold on. And then we go to the purchase discount on the cost of goods, the expenses. And then find them if I can.
It's all the way to down the bottom of the page.
Yeah. And then we go 629 and all things ceramics 1% discount. It's page 20 and it's a credit 187. So now total credit is $1.87. And then we go, it's checking. And then we note the cut to the check, which is 629, invoice number, check number 1534, page 20, 48109. So now our balance is $4,365.82.
Good.
That's it.
Okay. All right, so actually I'm going to stop here real quick. We're going to take a quick 10-minute break. Sorry, guys. We're taking so many breaks. Actually, let me see. Let me check out the next problem, and then we can take a break after that. Let's try to go a little longer, okay? Yep, let's go ahead and receive our inventory, and then we'll take a break after that, okay? Okay, so good job with that. So now, next thing we have here is we received some more coffee. We received our 125 pounds of regular coffee and 125 pounds of supreme coffee for a grand total of $385. Here's the COD. Okay, so let me go ahead and locate another transaction here that is the same. So regular coffee, supreme coffee. There you go, regular coffee, supreme coffee. We're on a new page in the journal here. Okay, 629 and 629. Okay. So, how much regular coffee did we buy? 177.50, 207.50, grand total 385. I'm gonna go ahead and do the COD over here for 62.50, so that's 31.25. For 62.50. Okay, so this is invoice number 401. And for the COD, this was invoice number 702. And we need to cut a check number 1535. Okay. So 1535 is my check number. Okay. Before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and update my purchase orders here. So, Atlas Coffee. Right? Invoice number 401 is what I received. So now what? Now I gotta go update my ledgers, right? Starting with your inventory. For my regular coffee. I purchased 125 pounds as well as freight cost. Okay, this time it's page 21. And it's for 177.50 plus 31.25. Grand total should be now through 265.19. 265.19. Okay, so let's go ahead and complete the Supreme. So once again, I purchased 125 with freight cost. General Journal 21 for 207.50 plus 31.25. Grand total should be now 38995. Okay. Since I'm already here in my assets, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my check out now. page 21 for the $62.50. So that should leave you with $4,303.32. And I now also have to increase my liabilities because I received another bill. All right, for the invoice number 401, page 21, for an additional $385, which will increase your account to $6,731.09. Okay. Next, we have here, we gotta pop our values into the subsidiary ledger. Here is all Atlas Coffee Importers. Okay. Purchased 125 pounds of regular coffee with 125 pounds of Supreme Coffee. Invoice number 401, page 21. Same terms. 15 days from now is going to be the 14th of July, and 30 days from now is going to be the 29th of July, and the total amount is for $385. And now we owe Atlas Coffee $2,248.75. So we paid a bill off just to record another bill. Okay. And of course, I also have to update my freight line because I need to keep track of my payments here. So $629. For the delivery of 125 pounds of coffee. Change that to check number 35, invoice number 702, General Journal page 21, COD for $62.50 with a payment of $62.50. Whoops. There you go. So I owe freight line nothing. Okay. Last thing I have to do is I need to update my inventory because now I just received brand new inventory. Okay. So for my regular coffee, we are plugging in my new coffee here. 125 at $1.44, I believe. Nope, $1.42.
Yeah.
There you go. 31.25, giving me a grand total of 208.75. Let's add those values up. So I'm adding a new batch of 125 pounds, which should give me 159.5. And I'm gonna add my total cost. Oops, wrong one. There you go. To get me 265.19, which matches my inventory, right? I had 265.19. Okay. So of course I have my calculation available. So because the price of the pound went up 2 cents, it increased the value of my average cost to 1.66. Okay. Okay. And then I have to add this into my Supreme Coffee. $6.29 for 125 for $1.66, I believe.
The wrong column.
Thank you. Well, let me undo everything. 125 at $1.66. So what is this number?
You need to slide it all over one column.
It shouldn't.
Your left.
It shouldn't be like that. But okay. I guess I'll. It should fit, is what I'm trying to say.
Well,
Okay.
but see, you've got your date in the sold quantity, and so everything's off by one column.
Well, I did have it in the original, the right column. Okay, so 125, okay, at 166 should equal 207 plus 3125 should give me a grand total of 238.75. Okay, 238.75, which if I go ahead and calculate my cost per item, that should give me $1.91. Okay, so again, 125 at $1.91 should equal 238.75, which should give you $389.95, which that matches your ledger. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for a break. Okay, and then we'll continue finishing the rest as we can. Okay. So let me see. Let me call the time.